ED Sri Ramohan sir, ED Sri Jeevan sir, and from Sports Committee, CGM Sri Sahil Malik sir. Huge round of applause, guys. So today we have a big presentation ceremony. We will have felicitation for Women Premier League, Senior Management Cricket League, SEBI Badminton League, SEBI Premier League, and top 5 runner, or we can say walker from WalkFit. And of course, big thanks to all groundsmen, supervisory staff, commentators, all the management staff for this SEBI Premier League 2026. So, guys, we have a big list. तब तक हम बात करेंगे. मैं आग्रह करूंगा सबसे पहले साहिल मलिक सर से कि इस गैदरिंग को प्लीज एड्रेस करें.
I'm short of words to speak, but I understand why Pradeep gave this mic to me, because I have to kill the time. Till the time they prepare the list, so don't worry. So let me ask one thing to the people here: are you enjoying? Did you enjoy it? How is the Josh? How is the Josh? So did India won or not in cricket? We won. Yes. So let's congratulate India team for that as well. And such a pleasant evening we have here. The weather is so exciting, so pleasant, it's so cold. Cold. Once we go back to Bombay, we have to again see the pollution and all traffic. We should make sense. We should make it reasons to come to an ISM for some sort of reasons. So sports is one reason. Come to an ISM, play any sport of your choice. And I'm sure many of you are also participating in yoga, which SEBI is organized online. How many of you participate in yoga or CrossFit? Nobody. Why? Ramu sir participate. I do sometime. So I request all of you to please participate in the yoga session in CrossFit every day morning 6 to 7 and 7 to 8 on Saturday. It's online, you don't have to go anywhere. You simply do it at your home itself. So will you promise me to do yoga or not? You are yes or no? Yes or no? Fantastic. So what I can do it, I can promise one thing. Last year HRD did one thing. So whoever participated in yoga for 60 days continuously, they got an award. Should we also do it? Will you do it? So we'll do it. We'll go back, we'll make a policy, and we'll start an initiative where people can participate in yoga or CrossFit on a daily basis, so they can stay remain fit.
Till the time we'll get the full list of the players, we'll give or we'll facilitate the top 3 we are here, who are here for WalkFit. First, Srinivas Jakula. WalkFit. Can we have the trophy for WalkFit?
So, sir, this was an event we did for 60 days. He walked almost every day 12,500 steps. 25,000. No, but maximum we can do it for 12,500. Yeah.
Srinivas Jakula, number 1, WalkFit.
And sir, let me ask, can I ask you, sir, can you guess his age, sir?
32. How many times you have married? What did you say?
I said, sir, 2 years to retire, sir.
Only once. then it's creditable.
Number 2, Shri Jayaprakash.
The JP is the ace badminton player.
Congratulations, sir. And number 3 goes to Vedant Jambulkar.
Then what was the inspiration? What was the inspiration? That's discipline. Very nice.
So now we have the list of SEBI Women's Premier League.
We have any movement player already here.
Player of the match, Soni Sachdeva. Soni Sachdeva. Many congratulations to Mrs. Sachdeva. And now, best better women, Jyoti Kawat.
Somebody can achieve. I request anyone to come forward and achieve on receive on behalf. Nikki,
Can
can you
someone
come?
please for Jyoti?
Okay.
74 runs scored by Jyoti. Best bowler women, Nidhi Nehra. Nidhi, 5 wicket. Nidhi. Come on, guys. Now, we had many good fielder, but now we are having electric fielder, Ashwini Jain. Ashwini Jain.
It is not.
Now it's MVP, most valuable player, Pallavi Ahuja. Pallavi Ahuja. See the trophy, guys. Now we have super striker, Shreya Chaturvedi. Super striker Shreya. I think she's not here. Catch of the tournament, Shruti Singh. Catch of the tournament, Shruti Singh. Is not available here. Best wicketkeeper, Varsha Pawar. Varsha, not there. Fair Play Award goes to Glam Titans. Anyone from Glam Titans? Glam Titans. Orange cap, Jyoti. I think Jyoti is not available. Purple cap, Nidhi Nehra. Nidhi Nehra. And now we have the runner-up. Second runner-up, Radiant Royals. Radiant Royals.
It's the team. Only one person is there from the team.
Thank you. Runner-up, Crown Super Queen, CSQ. Anyone from CSQ? Runner-up, Crown Super Queens. Come on, guys, use our applause. And now, winner of SEBI Women's Premier League, Miss Incredibles. Come on, Incredibles, come on, get your trophy. SEBI WPL 2026, guys. Come on, guys. SEBI WPL 2026. Woo! After Women Premier League, now we have Senior Management Cricket League. And first award, Player of the Match, goes to Ramon Rao, sir. Come on. Player of the Match. Best fielder, Biju sir, yes, Biju. Best fielder. Can we have Biju sir here? Sir is not available, I guess. Yes, sir.
Biju sir. Okay, I think he's
And-
left.
Now best bowler goes to Sunil Kumar Singh. Sunil sir. Come on, guys. Now batsman, A. Vijayan sir. Vijayan sir. He is best batsman, but he's a good fielder as well. And now it's turn. Player of the tournament. Any guesses, guys? Sunil Kumar Singh again. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And second runner-up, Equity 11. Second runner-up, Equity 11. Can we have the player of the Equity 11? Anyone? Sir, we have Sahil Malik sir from Equity 11. Woo! Now runner-up, Commodities 11. Come on guys, Commodity. अपना कॉमोडिटी ले जाइए प्लीज. No issue, no issue. Now winner of senior management goes to Crypto 11. Crypto. Come on, Crypto. Guys, now it's turn SEBI Badminton League 2026. So, SEBI Badminton League player of the tie female Pallavi Ahuja. Pallavi. Player of the tie male Amar Kumar Das. Best female emerging Chetna Malar. Chetna. Best male emerging Mayank Chaudhary from Avengers. Best female veteran Sapna Sinha from Golden Wolves. Best male veteran Alvin Nathan Lehenga Elementals. Alvin. Best female singles Pallavi Ahuja from Daredevils. Best male singles Amar Kumar Das again from Daredevils. Best female doubles Sapna Sinha and Pooja Roy. Best male doubles, come on, Golden Wolves, Harshal Purnal, Vimal Verma. Best mixed double, Shreya Chaturvedi and Mayank Singh from Emerald Eagles. Now runner-up for SEBI Badminton League, Durandars. Durandar. Come on, Durandar. Durandar. And winners. Be ready, winners. Winner for SEBI Badminton League 2026, Daredevils. Come on, guys. Use our applause for Daredevils.
A round of applause for them, please.
SEBI Badminton Premier League winners, Daredevil. Many congratulations to Daredevil. And now it's SEBI Premier League. Player of the match for SEBI Premier League 2026 final. Come on, rules. Nirdos means. Come on, guys. Make some noise. Golden rules. Best catch of the tournament goes to Amar Kumar Das from Daredevil. Amar Kumar Das. Best catch. Best fielder SEBI SPL 2026 goes to Dhruv Rawal from Avengers. Dhruv. Come on, Dhruv. Best emerging player. Any guesses, guys? Best emerging player. It's Tejas Shetty. Shetty ji. Not available here. Best veteran of the tournament goes to Nitin Singh sir from Avengers. Veteran of the tournament, best veteran. Best wicket keeper goes to. No, it's not me. Yashwant Mandhani. Yashwant. I think Yashwant is not available. So best bowler. Come on, any guesses? Best bowler. It's Govind Goyal. 14 wickets. And now best batsman Vasant Kesri. Scored 266 runs in the tournament. Most consistent player of the tournament. Come on, guys, Vasant Kesri. Many congratulations. Player of the tournament goes to Abhishek Kumar Dudavani. And now we have. First, we will give medals to player of the Avengers team. Please, Avengers team, come forward in a line. Team Avengers, runner-up of the tournament. Team Avengers. Captain Vasant Kesri, please bring your team. Come on, guys, come on. Vasant Kesri. Runner-up for SEBI Premier League 2026 Avengers.
Cheer up, Avengers. Show the.
Runner-up 2026 Avengers. And now, winner SEBI 2026 Golden Woos. Woo! Golden Wolves, Golden Wolves, Golden Wolves, Golden Wolves, Golden Wolves. Thank you, thank you.
हाँ sorry call them हाँ वही सर let's call everybody together yeah
Now, I would like to call umpires, scorers, groundsmen, please. Come on, guys. For commentators.
I also request all the members of sports committee to come please come forward here members of sports committee Vishal, Sneha, Adil, Manu, Abhishek, Govind. Govind and Abhishek, can I borrow you for a moment? Abhishek, Abhishek and Govind, please come. All the umpires. I request I want to thank you, sir, and on behalf of SEBI, we want to thank you, all of your members' name.
हेमंत ठाकुर हेमंत ठाकुर उल्हास मांजरेकर प्रशांत विवेक, सायली, निकी, वैष्णवी, प्रियांका.
I also request commentators to come forward. Commentators. Commentators, please. Thank you for your nice commentary. Thank you. And my sports committee, please come. I want a picture with members, sir. Sports committee, Vishal, Manu, Govind, Abhishek, Ashmi, please come. One photograph is sir, last photograph of the day. Pradeep, 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 एक second. नहीं? ठीक है. Sir, sir, this is a team who has done our entire arrangement, sir. They have done the entire background work, entire logistics on behalf of NISM. I also want to call Mohan and Jiten Agrawal also. Jiten Agrawal ji, आइए आप भी. Because of these two, sir, this could have been possible, sir. Even sir, please come. Ramu sir. Rachna ma'am. Ramu sir. Ramu sir. कोई बात नहीं, आप सबसे एंथुजियास्ट हो.
Many thanks to SEBI Sports Committee, guys. Big thanks to our groundsman and Supervisor Nikhil Ramchandra Palkar. Main groundsman Sunil Maruti Pawar. Chintamani Prakash Wagmare. And for sound system, Mahesh Patil from Om Sai DJ. Sunny Mandap Decoration, Mangesh Sinde. And for this beautiful and spectacular YouTube Live, Avishkar Yelve, Sandesh Milane, Sumit Tiwari, Sahil Chauhan, and Ajit Belarao.
कुठे आहे तुम्ही लवकर ये.
Many thanks to all the man.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Pradeep, for the nice evening, nice comparing, and thanks to everybody. And everybody, please join us for dinner. I hope you had
कम
a
ऑन
good
गाइस,
time.
जिनको भूख लगी है
See
वो
you
खाना
next
खा
year.
ले, कुछ लोगों को भूख नहीं होगी.
So let's meet tomorrow in the office. So let us start tomorrow again. Good night. Bye bye.
And guys, for the last time for SEBI 2026, SEBI Premier League. That's all from the presentation ceremony. Now we will see you in SEBI 2027 SEBI Premier League. Thank you. Bye bye. Good night. Sayonara. Thank you.